Hello, little friends. I'm Kiddie. Let's color together. Are you ready? Let's start. Look, it is an apple. Trace on apple. And after tracing, let's color. Choose red color. And then coloring. Wow, you're doing well. Wow. Good. You're awesome. Wow, guys. You're doing well. Okay. Slowly. And you just you did it. Wow, you did. You almost did. You almost done. Okay. Wow. And this apple has a bite. Mom, choose the color. Yellow color. Yeah. Okay. Wow. And this is audible. Then use this brown color. The leaf has all. Wow, nice. The next is carrot. No, it's a color. Carrot. Color the carrot orange. It's the orange color. Wow, you're doing red. Keep coloring. Oh, you awesome guys. Let's color. Do well. Wow. Be carefully. Yay! You did! Super! Now we have green color. Green color on the leaf of the carrot. Wow! Yeah! Good job! The next is whiting wheat. Yeah! It's a watermelon. Trace on the watermelon. Yeah! Do it all. Because it has a seed. Let's color. It's a red color. Yeah, it's a red color. Keep coloring. Friends, keep coloring. Yeah, you're almost done. Almost done. Oh, wow. Fantastic. That's green color. Wow. Good. Be carefully. Yay. The next one is the coloring. Look at the coloring. You can look. Draw. Very nice. Oh, wow. You did awesome. You draw. Very nice. Let's color. It's a brown color. Wow. And the next color is... Next color. Let it. Perfect. So the next color is green. Wow, green color. And superb. It's almost done. It's a straw. Well done. Look, it has a dot. Can you guess? Yeah, pink color. Yeah. Fill all the dots and the pink color. So next is the flower. Flowers. Trace on the flowers. Very well, you guys. Doing very well. It's a stem. And also trace its leaf. Wow, the flower has done. Now the coloring. I color red. Okay, you guys also color red. The petals. On the petals of the flowers. And wonderful. You're doing that. Good job. Yellow color. Wow. Wrong color. Amazing. And the green color, last one. Fantastic. Goodbye. Bye-bye.